going on? What's going on? So, I finally decided to put on my max lens and see how it look when I drive. What's the point of having a accessory if I never use it? So the video that I have that got posted today was me using the max lens last week during one of my walks to Brooklyn. So now today I think we'll get one with me driving. Right now you're seeing me. I'll turn around the camera eventually. I'll see if I can get the time lapse and just the real-time driving, and we'll see how it looks. I'm gonna compare this to another video that I also have, like when I'm just talking in the car, to see what the difference is. The wide, I think I've done the super wide view last time, or regular wide, super wide, regular wide, I don't remember, but I had a wide view last time. So see what I get, this, you know, what the difference is. Maybe I can put them side by side, compare the videos, I don't know. But right now, enjoy the video. You get to see what I got. Brooklyn, salute. Okay, so I stopped the lapse because, as you can see, no point in doing a time lapse, or that was actually the time warp, because you only get the one option when you have the max lens. You can't really do time lapse, or, you know, well, you pretty much can't do just time lapse. It gives you the one option for the warp. So like I said, no point in doing that because I'm stuck in traffic. So it's actually getting low, like the sun's getting really low now, so hopefully I can get some night shots. And well, I will get some dark night shots, but I want to see what the night lapse looks with the max lens, even though it doesn't give you option for technically night lapse. But we'll see how it turns out, and I'll post that too. But first I gotta get through all this traffic. I don't want to have like a bunch of video of just me sitting there in traffic. So on we go. Okay, it's a little darker now, so yeah, it's kind of really darker now. So I guess you can only see me from the brake lights and from the van that's in front of me. So now, once I don't know if I'm gonna take the, let me see, I don't know if I'm gonna take the highway. The belt looks kind of crazy. It's only 4 minutes slower than the other route, but either way, there's a little bit of a highway there. So I'm gonna go back to the lapse now, and we'll see how we do at night. Maybe it'll give me the effect of like the night lapse, maybe it won't, we'll see. But before the light change, let me just switch this around real quick. All right.
As I'm putting my accessories away, I move this thing here out the way, and when I'm moving it, I see this. That's a magnet on the clip. Maybe I should start using this thing more often too. Accessories. Okay, so I promised you that I would show you a comparison between the max lens mode and the actual stock lens. This is not the Superview, but this is just the wide one that's on here on the left hand side, and the max lens mode there on the right. As you can see, you could probably see more out the passenger side window through the max view. I think on super wide you also can see more out that side, but it's more, you get more of a fisheye. So here you go with the side by side comparison, and I guess that is the conclusion of my video for today. Hope you enjoyed, and Brooklyn salute. I'm out. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget, click over here, little circle, to subscribe with my picture, or you can go down below to the little red button, subscribe over there. And when you're done doing that, you can also click up here, check out some other videos that I've posted. I have a whole category. I've been at this for a little while, but now I'm taking it seriously. So enjoy, and thank you for watching.